Something tightens in the chest, not fear, but something close. A quiet sense that what I want is not what matters most. The road narrows, time slows down, every step is weighed. Nothing moves the way it did before the choice was made. When comfort fails to guide the way and excess falls apart, I learned to hear necessity speaking to the heart. Nauthiz holding steady ground, Nauthiz when the flame is bound. What I lack begins to show, what I truly need to know. Nauthiz carving strength from strain, Nauthiz teaching me restraint. In the pressure I remain until purpose forms again. No escape through wishing more, no shortcut through the wall. Every limit draws attention to what matters after all. Discipline becomes the fire that survives the night. I conserve, I focus in and choose the smaller light. Wanting scatters, needing stays. One burns fast, one learns to last. What I carry through the dark is forged to hold its past. Nauthiz holding steady ground, Nauthiz when the flame is bound. What I lack begins to show, what I truly need to know. Nauthiz carving strength from strain, Nauthiz teaching me restraint. In the pressure I remain until purpose forms again. From a spark made by bare hands, fire finds its way. Even fragile tools can work when used the right way. Nauthiz will without display, not denial but delay. I align my steps with truth and stop bleeding energy loose. Nauthiz focus sharp and clear, I endure what must be here.